I'm building a search engine that's going to change the world, but the crawler is broken, and I've only got 1 hour to fix it. I have a problem. Let me show you. Mwmbl crawler is not working. Crawler has broken. The crawler is what explores the web. Without that, we won't get any new web pages discovered for our search engine, which is bad. I'm going to try and fix this in 1 hour, because after that I need to go to bed. If I click over here, we will see this is the crawler and it's not doing anything. We should be seeing scrolling here. We should see new pages coming up. Now our crawler is a bit different to most web crawlers. Most web crawlers will sit on a server somewhere and explore the web and store their new pages in an index. But our crawler is made up of 2 bits. We have this bit, which sits in my browser, or in your browser if you would like to install it, and explores the web. And every now and then it sends a batch of results to a central server. And the central server is also what tells the extension which pages to crawl. We need to figure out why we're not getting any new pages to crawl here. At least search is still working, I said. Let's check it is still working. Working. Are you working with the right suppliers? There we go. It is still working. This is the search engine, by the way. If you're interested to try it out, go to mwmbl.org, mwmbl.org. Anyway, let's try and get this working again. First thing I need to do is fire up the debugger in Firefox. This Firefox Mwmbl web crawler. Here we go. Inspect. Let's inspect this web crawler. Oh, it's over here. What are you doing over there? Come back over here. We can see we're getting sending batch of nothing. Batch post result saying okay. Got new batch of new URLs to crawl, nothing. Okay, so there's no, we're just getting empty batches. That's no good. The central server is meant to send us batches of URLs that we want to crawl. So you can see here, here's some things that we did crawl, but that was at 8:20 in the morning. And we're getting an empty list here, an empty list of things to crawl, so that's not good. It's not good. So I'm going to go into the server and see what we can see. This is where everything happens. You'll notice I'm doing stuff as a root. This is not generally a good idea. Anyway, I think we need to look at the logs. Let's look at the logs. Why is that not working? I have no idea what's going on right now, but I'm going to carry on regardless. Something's going on with Docker. What's going on with Docker? Docker runs our Docker container that contains the Mwmbl application. And for some reason, I'm getting an error when I try and look at the logs. Docker on its own the Docker command on its own here seems to be working fine. But Docker logs is not working fine. What's going on with Docker logs? Okay, that's all right. What about listing the apps? Docker apps list. Okay, so we have an app. That's good. I'm trying to remember how to do this. You can see it's not going very well. Okay, well let's try it. Try that. Docker logs API.mwmbl.org. Okay, I think this is going to require a Google. Docker command not found after install. Aha! This is the same error. Oh, but it's getting access denied. We're not getting access denied. Getting exit status 127. Exit status 127. We could have run out of disk space. Let's check that. Aha. Use 374 gigabytes, available 0. Yes. We've run out of disk space. This is good to know. I need to delete something. So I'm looking for a command to delete things that I've used before. So I'm going to be using this Control R thing to look through all the previous Docker commands I've used previously. Docker remove unused images. Docker image prune. Remove all dangling images. If -a is specified, it will also remove all images not referenced by any container. I mean, that sounds like a good thing. Let's try that. Warning, this will remove all dangling images. I'm about to lose all my dangling images. Hope you're ready for this. Dangling images, dangling images, dangling images are gone. Total reclaimed space, 13.46 gigabytes. Okay. All right, we have available 13 gigabytes. Usage is now 97%. Let's see what happens when I look at the logs now. Aha, we have something happening. An error. Error updating URL queue. Operational error. Connection to server failed. Is the server running on that host and accepting TCP IP connections? So the database, which stores all the information about the URLs, is not happy. Probably because we ran out of space. I'm just going to restart the app and see what it does. Deploying web, count 1, count equals 1. Running post deploy. Okay, let's look at some more logs. Ooh, things happening. It's doing stuff with historical batches. So when you start up the Mwmbl application, it tries to load anything old that it might have missed that's stored in a kind of central place, which is this backblaze URL. So this is where all the batches for this date are stored. Well, the information about the batches for this date. And this is quite interesting because we'll be able to see how long this has been broken for, because we can see there are no batches there because the crawler's been broken, right? No more data yet. Let's try again. All the way back to the 21st, there's no batches. So it's been broken for a while, I'm afraid to say. But everything seems to be working so far. Let's look at some more stuff. Can I do -t? Oh. We're now seeing stuff happen in real time. We've got 10,000 cached batches. Recording URLs in database. So this is all part of the startup process for the crawler. And at some point, I mean, let's just see if it's working, shall we? Oh, it's crawling again. Haha. That is great. How a sleep influencing Twitch streamer made $16,000 from sleeping. Okay, well, we need to know that. Anyway, we're successfully crawling, which is great. and just watch the new stuff coming down here. In the meantime, I need to talk to the very, very kind person from France who donated our server and ask for more space. So I'll do that right now. But that took us significantly less than an hour, so I think mission accomplished. Thanks very much. See you soon. Bye.